As I am filming this video, I hear the rain coming outside, and I hear the voice of the Lord saying that the former rain shall not be as the latter rain. There are many people that have gone through things in their lives, and they have come to the Lord, and they have asked of Him to help them in situations, to change situations in their lives. And there has been a former rain that has washed over their soul, over their emotions. But the Lord is saying right now, take heart, my people, because the latter rain shall be greater, and it shall accomplish a lot more in your lives as you put your trust in me, says the Lord. And I will change your situations. I will take things that were done and broken, and I will take those pieces and I will create something new in your life. It will be as the parable that I told my prophet Jeremiah when I told him to go to the potter's house. And there he was, the potter, working with the clay, and the clay became marred. But he said, am I not able to actually bring something new as I build upon those pieces that were broken? Yes, I will, he says. And the latter rain shall come upon your life, and I will bring something beautiful out of it, out of those pieces, and I will give you beauty for ashes, says the Lord.